everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video, I am going to show you some lightweight gold earring design for daily use. If you like any design from this gold earring design video, you can take a screenshot of the design, have it made at any local gold shop. All earrings are completely different design. I like it very much. I hope you like this video. Friends, this video is not a sponsored video. All the design are educational purpose only. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more new jewelry videos. And like and share to your friends and family. So friends, enjoy this video till the end. Bye bye. Have a good day.